Hello everyone. In this fast-paced, technologically advanced world, digital transformation of your organization takes you one step ahead in the race. With its powerful low-code tools, AppCreator makes digitization easier through custom application development for your IT teams. In this tutorial series, we'll see how you can easily build an application, automate mundane repetitive tasks, and align your IT and business teams with AppCreator. Before that, let's answer the obvious question. What is AppCreator and why do you need them? AppCreator is an on-premise low-code application development platform that empowers the IT teams to build user-friendly custom applications efficiently. Now, develop, deploy, and manage applications in no time. The easy and intuitive interface lets you drag and drop fields, streamline actions with powerful workflows, automate complex processes using blueprints, and deploy applications to multiple platforms with a single click. Now, it's time to bid adieu to long email chains and overloaded spreadsheets. AppCreator lets you store all your data in forms, visualize them as reports in multiple formats, and gain holistic understanding of overall data with dynamic dashboards. You can use the easy-to-learn scripting language Deluge to perform complex functions with drag-and-drop code snippets, create personalized login with customer portals for customers and business teams, and even use your application anywhere with rebranded mobile apps that demands no additional coding. This is just a tip of an iceberg that AppCreator is. In short, AppCreator saves your productive time, eliminates shadow IT, and empowers your enterprise IT development teams to build fast, efficient, and easy-to-use custom applications. Now that you got a glimpse of what AppCreator is, let's see how it functions. In this tutorial series, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on building a real-time AppCreator application from scratch. Imagine you are an IT admin and requires a tool to track physical assets' location and monitor their movement within the premise and outside. The entire procedure not only consumes time but also risks data security. With a dedicated IT asset gatepass management application, enterprise IT teams can manage the whole process digitally while ensuring the storage of all data. From raising a gatepass request to approving it, everything can be done in a few clicks and approvals can be given from anywhere and anytime. Digitizing a gatepass process would require asset and user database, a gatepass form to initiate a request, and an IT admin to approve them. In this tutorial series, you will see how to collect gatepass information through forms, sort and analyze asset and asset movement details on multiple reports, visualize overall data using dashboard, trigger workflows to approve gatepasses in a single click, integrate your application with the third-party services for periodic update of assets, and set permissions to restrict the users of this application. By the end of the series, you will have a ready-to-use application and a fundamental understanding of the enormous capabilities of AppCreator. Before we begin, the first necessary step is to install AppCreator in your system. Check out the next video to learn how to install AppCreator in your Windows or Linux for an on-premise experience and walk into the low-code application development world with ease. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Manage Engine AppCreator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.